my 1015. Tell me why you're so special.
I'm not.
Kara?
It makes
No,
me
get
feel
out. You're fired.
nervous.
I was just trying to help you.
Crossed
You
a line.
have that look
Kira,
in your eye.
you don't know him.
Oh, what takes over? What is it that holds you tight? And you can tear it up.
I'm leaving.
Oh, no one tears it
I
up
really like
like
someone.
you.
Loved
Oh, you can rip it
someone.
up. Oh, no one rips it up like you when you're in the half-light. Oh, it is not you I see, and you live a half-life. You only show half to me. And can you shake it
I'm gonna
off?
fix this. I
Oh,
promise.
can you shake it off for me when
Why are
you're
you
in
so
the
mean?
half-life? I don't like the half I see. What possesses you?
Be safe, Supergirl.
Oh, what possesses you? Oh, what possesses you? Oh, what possesses you? When you're in the half-light, oh, it is not you I see, and you live a half-life. You only show half to me. Can you shake it off? Oh, can you shake it off for me when you're in the
Kira.
half-light? I
Another
don't
week,
like the half I
Another
see.
crisis averted, thanks to you.
Here.
My secret weapon, my guardian angel.